he begs to the urban car or to take reviews on his book, and all you have to do is to mark the first book of this cliché. And then from here, you're going to tap on the logo and then head on the web to page by tapping on pages. From there, let's say you did find a page or you would love to check on either a page has some reviews, and all you have to do is to check on this star in the case that it does have any reviews. And as you can see for this one, it does not have any review. You can decide to look for another one. Yes, like this one or this one. As you can see, it still does not have many reviews. We can check on this one. As you can see, it does have one review. You can decide to check on this one. As you can see, it does not have any reviews. Check on this one. As you can see, it has 38 reviews. And we tap on it, they're going to see those reviews. And it is going to have a Facebook page. And we like to see those reviews straight on our back. Go on in. Then you're going to see those reviews just as I showed you. There will be a star in that Facebook page that you create. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.